Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a date night Valentine's Day makeup look, and I really love this. This is super cute. This is super easy, it's so simple, and just the red lip just makes it like a Valentine's makeup look. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I found out that I wasn't recording while I was putting one color into my crease, but I'm just gonna let you guys know that I obviously did this eye off camera, I did my full face off camera, everything's done except this one eye, obviously. So we're just gonna do it together, you know? I took this Dominique Latte palette and I took the color called Caramel. I love this color as a transition. This color is bomb. It's so good. I use this like almost daily. But yeah, so I grabbed that on this Morphe M55 M441 brush, not 55, 44. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit confused by the numbers, but you know. And I just put that right in my crease, and I put loads of it into my crease. And then I'm gonna take the same brush and go in with Pumpkin Spice, which is right here. I never use this shade, so today I was like, you're gonna use this because you never use it. And we're gonna do the same exact thing, just put it really in the crease. And you know what, I'm gonna start messing with the bottom lash line at the same time that I'm doing the crease. I'm just gonna be taking this little smudger brush and take Caramel and put that on the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna take Pumpkin Spice and do the same exact thing. And then I'm going to go in with this Profusion eye palette in Natural, and it's so dirty. I'm going to grab the color called Bronze, which is this color right here. I'm going to grab the same brush and just put that on the outer part of the eye. Just really pack it on there. And then I'm going to go back in with the Dominique Latte palette, and I'm going to grab the color called Mocha. And I'm going to grab the same brush and just put it right on top of that other color that we took. Blend everything together to make sure there's no harsh lines or anything with this Farrah 35E brush. And then we're going to go to the bottom lash line, and I'm going to grab that bronze color from the Profusion palette. Same thing with the color called Mocha, and I'm going to grab that on the same brush and do the same exact thing and just keep it on the back. And now I'm going to be taking this Revolution palette. The name kind of rubbed off, but this is the Revolution Reloaded palette. And I'm going to be grabbing the lightest shade in the palette, this one right here, and I'm just going to put that on my lid with just a flat brush, just to brighten this look a little bit. I don't want to apply a white. If you want to, you could totally do that, but I don't want this part to be super brightened. And then I'm going to be taking, where's that eyeliner? Where'd it go? And then I'm going to take this eyeliner right here. This is the Ulta Automatic Eyeliner in Black Brown. And I'm going to tight line with this on the bottom and top lash line. And then I'm going to go in with this M Cosmetics brush tip liner in black, I assume. And I'm just going to do a thin... Ooh, okay, I made a little mistake, but that's okay. That's fine. But I'm going to just do a thin line near my lashes for our falsies. And then the mascara I'm going to be taking is this Ciate London Wonderland mascara in Black Magic. And I'm just going to put this on the bottom and top lashes. And the lashes that I'm going to be wearing today are the Ardell Demi Wispies, I believe. And I'm just going to pop that on with some Duo Lash Glue. While that lash dries, I'm going to be taking this Model's Own eyeshadow palette in Barely There 2, and I'm going to grab the color called Basic, I believe, which is this gold shimmer shadow, and I'm just going to put that on my inner corner. And to make this look more of a Valentine's date kind of look, you know, I'm going to be taking this Morphe lip crayon in the color By the Way, BTW. And I'm just going to put this on my lips, obviously. So if you like this makeup look, this Valentine's Day date night makeup look, give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'm thinking of like doing like a red, something red and like smoky, but like I don't know what I want to do. Like half cut crease, a full cut crease, like just a smoky eye, or I don't know. So let me know down below in the comment section. And this is very easy. It's not really a lot, and it's very natural. Very, very natural. You could totally go like just lashes and then a red lip. That will make it a Valentine's Day look. Like no eyeshadow, or like a wing. You can add a wing if you want, but I'm not, because I'm just too lazy. But yeah, so you could really do whatever you want with this look. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!